It sure feels like one when we are.
Right turn on Charlie, left turn on runway 6. Okay, once you all get on runway, contact parking 1. Proceed up to the hold short line, verify your swap code 0233.
0233 and we're hold short 247.
He now holds commercial rendezvous now over 20,000 hours flying on military and also with the airlines. Kevin joined the United States Air Force Reserve when he was 22, went to pilot training at Williams Air Force Base in Arizona, where he flew the T-37 trainer, the T-38 Talon supersonic trainer, the C-140
Airbus copy, thanks, Kevin. Ghost Rider, Airboss. Ghost Rider, Airboss. Line up and wait. 2-4. Line up and wait, 2-4. Airboss, current winds are 3504, clear to take off 24.
That's it, 24, Chipmunk.
One Alpha Airboss, clear to land 24.
That's it.
Winds 345 at 5.
Captain Russo coming in on his final approach. And in just a moment he's going to land, and we're going to cut the camera.
Go!